Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Khor admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingjia kam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hadian ke Jingjia akhir thma kinong cungok kai hakile no hapa halgam jong ka Jammu and Kashmir u Menteri Rang Badu kari Narendra Modi ulalum kerke ya ka Jingjia lang jong ka Cabinet Committee on Security haying sa jong u Delhi hagni ka Jingjia lang bala penya jong Modi lai danang u Menteri Ketnat Kampo Yeng u Amit Shah u Menteri Ketnat Yadari u Rajnath Singh ka Menteri Ketnat Platinka ka Nirmala Sitharaman u Menteri Ketnat Korbari u S Jai Shankar pat kiwai pat kihak sarkar kala Shim san Tylli kirai ki badan kam kirai ki baka Cabinet Committee on Security kala Shim kadai ban khang dam no shwa ya ka kat khaput ha atari ka badai ka kat khaput ha pedang ke India baka Pakistan ka bala jute peru kom ka atari waga border nang ta kala Shim ya karai ban pensange no shwa ya ka Indus River Treaty ya ka baka India kala soi soskular baka Pakistan ban penan kamlang ya ka nakawa Indus kani ke jingpen sange shwa kan trekam tathadu baka Pakistan kala ban pen sange ya ka kam ringkang pot jangkile no nang ta ka CCS kala Shimru ya karai bagi nang Pakistan kin amla shu ban rung che India ling baka SAARC visa exemption scheme ya ka baro iskata kinang Pakistan kiyo alat ban rung che India claim visa lada kidai kibawan nak bentaki kam jangka South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation ka CCS kelarai begitu kibadan lupa ha India kidiban mi no apo sau prakenta bat nang ni syakmat anam ai visa shu yakinong Pakistan baginuan si India kala Shimru ikarai baka Pakistan kahaban punduna no yakinong tre jongka kibadan ha ka High Commission jongka ha India boros kata kidan san ngun rementa kahaban punduna syakalai pongun nang ta kasorkar kan lum ya Jingjia lang jong baro kisang berthai yakban penyai da Menteri Ketnat Yadari Rajnath Singh ban pan jingmut na kisang berthai paper ya kisin jam ki baki India kan Shim halor gni ke Jingjia akhir thma ki pat ba baloi hakile no Pakistan.
In the briefing to the CCS, the cross-border linkages of the terrorist attack were brought out. It was noted that this attack came in the wake of the successful holding of the elections in the Union Territory and its steady progress towards economic growth and development. Recognizing the seriousness of this terrorist attack, the CCS decided upon the following measures. 1. The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism. 2. The integrated checkpost Atari will be closed with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through that route before 1 May 2025. 3. Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SAARC visa exemption scheme visas. Any SVAS visas issued in the past to Pakistani nationals are deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under SVAS visa has 48 hours to leave India. 4. The defense, military, naval and air advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own defense, navy, and air advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. These posts in the respective high commissions are deemed annulled.